Come.
I have big marks, not
Carolina,
ma'am.
turn off your camera. Okay. Now nobody is supposed to disturb me. If you disturb me, we won't be able to take the class. Those who are joined, I'm just giving you instructions. Many have to join again. They will be disturbing me. You just open your textbook, page number 7, write today's date. Now just see here what are the page numbers. 7, 8, 9. Now itself you write. See, somebody started already. Pages 7, 8, 9. Write. Children, first listen. Write 7, 8, 9 pages. You write on top of it today's date 21-7. All these 3 pages. Once if I start, you are not supposed to talk. Quietly you have to do the work. This is like a test. I will tell you how to do the test. No parent should help them. They have to do it. I will check it every time when we have special class. Now, just look at this. You have the same thing in your textbook. Now, I want Alan to answer. Have you seen the same thing in your textbook, Alan? Alan?
Ma'am, yes. Yes,
Have you?
ma'am.
Yes, only one child must answer. Then I will continue. Okay. The first number is 35. We have written 35. I have written. Now you can do 73. Number name you write in words. 56, 98. Only the first 4. 1 minute, children. Parents, please don't turn on your microphone. You don't. Only they have to write. You have to write 73. You can start with small letter and 1 hyphen 3. Spelling of 73. Please cooperate with me. Now, slowly write. 73. 56. Now start it.
And this page number.
Who's that child? Please ask. You take the first page, 7. Parents, please see that they join just before 10 minutes. If it's 9 o'clock class, please join by 8:50. Now, 73 is over. You see what is written, same thing in your book. Page number 7. Now, 56. Only A, B, C, D you have to do. A, ma'am, is written. How it's written, same way, write 73. Now, 56. 56. When I give you the answer, you have to check. 56. Only children should write. I will check the note, textbook, then I will know. 50-6. Now, 98. 98. Now I'll ask somebody. Judah, are you there, Judah? Judah,
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you write all the 3, Judah?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Now like this you have to answer. Okay. Now I will give you the answer. Now see, 73. Check your answers. 56, 98. You have to write exactly like this. Put 1 hyphen. Why I did not start with capital letter? Because when you start with 100, you must not write capital letter in between. Okay, now all can put a small tick next to that. Only one child I'll ask. Now you come to the next one. Write the numbers. See whether you have seen. Write the numbers. Present. Can you see? Write the numbers in your textbook. Present.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. First one is done by ma'am. I finish writing. 89. Now B you have to write how I wrote A. 36 you have to write. 99, you have to write 40. All these numbers quickly. Don't tell the answer. Quickly you have to write. Yes. Naren, have you written B? 36, 3 and 6? Sachin,
Ma'am?
have you written 36 number?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it, 3 and 6 or 3 and 7?
Ma'am, 3 and 6, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Now tell me 9 now. You just check whether it's correct, okay? Now see, 36.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Put a small tick over there. Now I think it's very easy because it's shown here plus in your textbook. Now see here, 99, 4040. It's not FOURTEN, or you cannot write 14. It's 4040. Okay, 89 already ma'am is written. Now you can turn the page. See, so easy. So easy. Don't parents let them do by themselves. Now see the first one. Number 3 in your textbook. Write the missing numbers by counting forward. Forward means count one after the other. Missing numbers. You can fill in the blanks over there. Have you seen 74, 75? The next number you write in that. See, the train is going on. Complete the fill in the blanks over there. Then ma'am will give the answer. Sanjay Krishna, after writing, you must tell me the answer. Sanjay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, right. 74, 75. The next number you write. 74, 75. Yes. Completed, Sanjay? No, Sanjay Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now please check whether ma'am's answer is correct.
Oh,
76, 77, 78, 79. Just on top, small tick. Yes, you have completed. No talking in between. Somebody's telling, are you? Just listen. Okay. Now, did you write today's date on the page? Everybody. Now, Sanjay, did you write the date on top of it? If you haven't written. Okay. Now, others should not talk. Others should not talk. See that? Yes. Good, Sanjay. Now, we are going to the next. Now, see. The same thing in your book. Same thing in your book. Use greater than, less than, or equal to. You do it fast. Check the numbers and do it. Let me see. No. I'm not going to ask now. After doing it, I will ask. Sanjit, I will ask the first 3 answers. I will ask Sanjit. Okay, do it fast. Very easy to do. Sanjit, you do. One by one, I'll call. Sanjit.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. You finished all the 6 now, Sanjit? No, complete all the 6. Complete. Yes. Sanjit? Have you completed all the 6?
Ma'am, what page number,
Now, please keep quiet. Somebody is disturbing me. 1 minute. 8 page number. Okay, Sanjay, complete all the 6. Now, I'll have to send a message to everybody. They have to join the class 10 minutes before. I gave the instructions 6, 7, 8 page we are going to do. I can't go back now. You can see the recording and do it. Now, complete all the 6. I'm going to call one by one. I'm going to call one by one. Complete all the 6. And I want to know whether you are doing it correctly. Complete. Okay.
I finished, ma'am.
Now, Sanjay, see whether ma'am's answer is correct. Put a tick on top of that. That number, that box, not inside the box where you have in your textbook. Now, I'm going to see the next one. 1 minute. 1 minute, Sanjit. Now, Sri Mugilan. Check whether the second answer is correct for ma'am. 38 is less than,
Yeah, correct,
smaller
correct.
than 40.
Correct,
Mukilan must
ma'am.
answer Mukilan.
Ah,
Parents, don't help them, then they won't learn. Yes, Mukilan, is it right for ma'am?
what right of the
38 is smaller than 40.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Mukilan. Just put a small tick above that box. Next question goes to Tridip. Tridip, just check.
tick, tick.
Yes, just check whether next answer is correct for ma'am. Tridip, are you there? Yes, slowly. Tridip, are you there, Tridip? No answer. Okay, Sai Vasavi, can you help me? The third answer, left side. Left side, second one. 69 is smaller than 96. Is it right? Is it correct, Sai? Sai Vasavi?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
put a tick mark. Next question goes to Jeff.
Ma'am.
Jeff, check
Ma'am.
ma'am's answer and tell me whether it's right, Jeff.
Ma'am is correct, ma'am.
Thank you, Jeff. Just put a tick mark by the side or on top, okay? Because you have no space for that, just by the side. Now, next question goes to Niral. Niral, just see the next answer, Niral.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct for ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
21 is greater than 15. If in school means you can come and do it on the board. Now we are doing it here, no problem. Okay. Thank you, Niral. The next question goes to Mukil M. Mukil M. Mukil, are you there? Now just check, Mukil.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
You tell me, Mukil, whether this answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Mukil. Now we shall go to the next one in your textbook. Write the number just before the given number. Write the number just before the given number. Just before the given number. Please do it now. Dash 32. Just write which number. You listen to me. Excuse me. Write the number before 32. Write the number before 90. Write the number before 22. Write the number before 48. After writing all these four, I will ask 4 children for the answer. Okay? Yes. Slowly do it. I'm just giving you time. Number before 32.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes, don't talk, children. Don't talk means you must not open your mouth. That's what I am asking one by one. When I ask the child's, when I call the child's name, they have to answer, okay? Now, before 32, before 90, before 22, before 48. You have all this in your textbook. I don't want, ma'am, I finish. Can I tell the answer? All that, please learn how to sit in class. When one child asks question, all will ask. Now I will call Punit Jain. Punit, are you there? Punit,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the number before 32.
31.
Yes, correct. Put a small tick. Whatever instruction I'm giving, you have to do it. Anybody talks, I'm going to cut your name now. In between. I want everybody to participate in this. Somebody you turn on the phone, I will not talk to you. Okay? Let others also listen. Now I want Ritun. I want Ritun. I want the answer for 90. Which number comes before 90? 90. Yes? Ritun?
Before.
89, ma'am.
Very good. See 89. When somebody tells the answer, I'm not able to listen to the other children. Now, Sehan. Sehan is not coming at all. I don't know what's the reason. Sehan. Sehan, are you there?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am.
What you're writing now? Whenever I call your name, you're not answering. Please write the number before 22 and tell me the answer. Sehan. Sehan, tell me the number before 22.
Yes, ma'am. 21.
Tell me once again. Once again, tell the answer, Sehan. Sehan. See, no answer. That's what whenever.
21.
Before 22, which number comes before 22? Look at the screen and look in your textbook. 22.
21,
Very
ma'am.
good, very good. You have to tell clearly. Very good, Sehan. Now, next question goes to Sharan. Sharan Pranav is not there. Sharan. Sharan is not there. I don't think. Yeah. Now, see, when you are not answering, I'll have to inform in the office to principal ma'am. That's why, if you are there, please answer. Sharan. All these days, he was not answering. Okay, let me see. Sujin Samuel.
Yes, ma'am.
Sujin, tell me the answer, last one. Before 48.
Before 48 is 47, ma'am.
Very good. See? So, ma'am got all the answers correct. Just a small tick above 31, 89, 21, 47. 47. Okay? Thank you. Now we'll go to the next one. Number between the given numbers. Number between. Now, two numbers are given. Please write the first row numbers. You can write very fast. You count in your mind and write the missing numbers. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Complete all. Then I'll ask one by one. You just write the numbers in between the given numbers. Very easy. In your textbook. Write the numbers. Number between the given two numbers. Okay. Please do it. 15. Some number is missing. 17. Like that, you read in your mind. You have to do, because when we give you test or any assignment, you have to do it. Parents cannot do. 35 dash 37. 37. 89 dash 91. Don't say now. I will ask one child whether they finish. Then I will give the answers. I'll call the name. 89 dash 91. Now the number in between 22 and 24. We are dealing with 3-digit numbers. This is your revision with 2-digit numbers. So we have to complete the textbook exercise. 22, some number is missing, 24. 77, number is missing, 79. 53, number is missing, 55. Now, Tarush, can you help me, Tarush? Tarush, have you done the numbers? Have you written? Have you written all the numbers, missing numbers? Tarush?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody. Okay, then I'll ask one by one. Tarush, Tell me the first answer after 15.
What number comes in between?
16.
Very good. See there? 16. After 15, 16, 17. You have to count and see. Now, Tion,
Thank you,
tell
ma'am.
me the second one, 35. Which number is missing over there? After 35, which number?
Ma'am, 36.
Good. Good, Tion. I'm very, very happy. All attentive and very much interested in doing this. Now, you must not do anything before I could ask you to do any textbook exercise. Then it will be boring in class. When you don't do it, you can do in class with me. Now, 89. This is for UN. Sorry. Taranish. Taranish, are you there? Taranish? Yes? Taranish? No? Okay, UN, please come, UN. Help me
Yes,
to fill. Yes, UN, tell me the number after 89.
90, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. See, now it's so easy for you to write and for me also to ask questions one by one. It's not that ma'am is angry with somebody and not asking. I have a name list over here, A and B class, and I'm asking. Now, next one goes to Adonia. Adonia, can you help me, Adonia, to tell me the answer after 22, which number? In between 22 and 24, which number comes in between 22 and 24? Adonia, not there? Sorry, Akshara S. Akshara S. I think first class all are just...
Ma'am.
Yes, Akshara, tell me the number after 22. Before 24. 23. Good. And without telling itself, you have to put a small tick when you have time. Now I want Effie. Effie, good morning. Effie,
Good morning.
good morning. Tell me the number after 77.
78.
Good. Must tell fast like this. Now after Effie,
Thank you,
okay, ma. After that, Fatima Mariam. Fatima, help me fast after 53, before 55. Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not familiar with anybody's face, but when I take special class, I will know. Fatima, 50.
54.
Very good. Now we'll go quickly to the next one. Yes. Now take your textbook, next page. 8. Write today's date on top. You have to complete that page. Write the number just after the given number. Okay. Now write the number after 40, after 58, after 72, after 29. You write the numbers quickly. 41, next number. No need to ask anybody. This question goes to Joshika Mary, the first one. Others can do by the time. Joshika, can you tell me the first answer? First one, Joshika. Joshika's not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanira, Joshika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer louder. After 40.
41.
Good. Very easy for me to do the work because time is very, very precious and less time we have. Now, Kanira, tell me the next answer after 58.
Max touch. Not a test.
Listen,
58.
listen. See now. Kanira, tell me the number after 58. It's already not text.
59.
Very good, very good. 59. Now,
Big note.
1 minute. No talking in between, please. Please.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, The next question goes to Kayalina. Tell me the number after 72. The continuity will go, children. Don't talk. After 72. Tell me the number.
72, ma'am.
After 72.
73.
Very good. Now after 29. Wait. This goes to Mishti. Mishti,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me the answer. After 29. Yes.
30, ma'am.
30. Now only Mishti. Somebody else is answering. Now, just see, match the following. You just draw. I'll show you the first one. See, now first number is 98. You just draw, take your scale and draw a line. No need of arrow. 98. Like that, you complete the first row, then the second row, and I will ask you whether it's right. 98. Understood, children? Now 33. I want somebody's help. I want Mitra. Mitra, are you there, Mitra? 33. I will do it. I'll ask you whether it's right. You can draw.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mitra, check whether ma'am got correct answer 33.
Yes, ma'am.
Only draw the line. Don't put arrow, okay? Now, next is Abisha. Abisha, are you there? Yes. Check whether you got correct. 44. 44. Is it right? Yes. Yes, I'll help you now. After Abisha, Akshaya. Yes? Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am.
62. I'm going to just draw the line, see whether it's right. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Correct.
you. Now, Artrika Chakrabarti. Now
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
next one, 26, ma'am is doing. But it's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now I want Evelyn. Evelyn Sarah. 72. What ma'am is doing? See whether it's correct. 72.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 90. Already it's there. I want you to check. Getsia.
Yes, ma'am.
90. See whether it's right, Getsia.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Very good. Only one line you have to draw. Sorry.
Thank
Now,
you, ma'am.
Israelina. Good, Getsia. Israelina. 80. Just see whether it's right. Yes. Now, complete the table. It's very easy, children. Only 2 minutes. Just wait. Don't be leaving the class now. I need 5 minutes more. Complete the table. 34. How many tens and how many ones? Now, I want Jemima. Jemima, can you fill how many tens in the first column? How many tens in that?
3 tens, ma'am.
Very good. Sorry. Only the first one. 3 tens. Very good. Easy for you. Now, Juan Sri, tell me the next number. 110, 9 ones. What will be the number? Tell me the number. Only Juan Sri. What is the number? 19. Very good. Next one. Pratika RV. Pratika. Tell me how many tens and how many ones. Wait. How many tens and how many ones? How many tens and how many ones?
9 tens and 2 ones.
Yes. 9 tens and 2 ones. Very good. Now you'll just go to the next one. We'll finish it. Okay. Now state true or false. With that, we finish now. 1 minute, you see. 49 comes, the last one in your textbook. 49 comes just after 51. Is it right? I want Inian to answer me. Inian. 49 comes just after 51. Is it right, Inian? Is it false or true? Fast, Inian. I'm asking only Indian. 49 comes just after 51. Is it true or false? You have to write only one letter, T or F.
F.
F. Very good. It's F, false. Now, don't talk in between. Now, Jasiel. Tell me next one. 63 comes between 62 and 64. Look into your textbook. After 62, which number comes? Is it right? Is it right? 63 after 62. Is it right? 62, 63, 64. Jasiel. Okay, Jake, help me, Jake. Jake.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me whether it's true or false.
True.
Very good. Now, 89 comes just before 90. Before 90, 89. The last question. Joshua Olivan, please tell me. 89 comes just before 90. Is it right? Yes, soon, children. Joshua's not there.
True.
Yes. Please tell me the answer soon.
True.
Thank you. Now the class is over. Don't be telling thank you. Listen to my instruction. See the homework given down. Take out your page number 12 and write homework, today's date, and you have to complete it. This is today's homework. Page number 12. You have to complete 101 to 300. Is it clear to you? 101. Page 12. Write homework. HW, the whole page you have to write. Tomorrow you don't have maths. Now, thank you. I will send the link for the special class children. Special
Thank you,
class
ma'am.
children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Already they sent it. Already.
Thank